Hello, my name's Carl and welcome to the Strawbite Workshop. Today we're going to be building some cabinets and you can already see one up behind me. I've decided to buy off-the-shelf cabinets, ready to assemble is another term for it, and that's simply because of the fact that this place is an absolute tip and I've got lots of small items that would normally live on a shelf and I have no shelves, and I want to build cabinets and I have no room. So you can see the dilemma. So I'm not going to tell you where I got these from. I've kind of hidden the brand, but it's a sort of DIY store, basic kitchen cabinet in white melamine. Okay, so I've worked out that I actually can't make the cabinets for the £15 that it cost me to buy the thing. Essentially in the factory, everything is mass produced. It's white melamine chipboard. These are the shelves, around about 20 millimeters, 18 to 20 millimeters thick. The two shelves are identical. The back is a sort of standard hardboard. The top and bottom pieces are machined to be identical, and the two side pieces are identical as well. The shelf pin holes and the System 32 hole spacing for the Euro style hinges. Although I haven't bought cabinet doors for these, I'll be making some a little bit later. Okay, so the time on the camera is now 7 minutes. So that's really taken 4.5 minutes to put together. And we'll have a closer look at this because this is a terrible cabinet. Okay, so let me bring you in close. Here we go. And this is essentially what you get. Now, this is a basic functional cabinet. There's nothing particularly fancy about this. As I say, it was £15. But the quality is pretty poor. I don't know whether you can see here. There's like glue squeeze out where the edge banding has been put on. The holes are roughly cut, but that's understandable. You're cutting into chipboard. And generally speaking, the finish isn't fantastic. So we'll see in an upcoming video me building a better cabinet. But for now, this will do just fine.